In today's digital age, staying safe online is more important than ever. Let's explore how to protect yourself. Be aware of common online threats like phishing scams, malware, and other deceptive practices. Creating strong, unique passwords is your first line of defense. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It's a must for sensitive accounts. Always check for secure URLs. An HTTPS at the beginning indicates a safe connection. Be mindful of what personal information you share online. It's vital to keep sensitive details private. Public Wi-Fi can be risky. Always use a VPN and avoid accessing sensitive information on public networks. Regularly updating your software is crucial for security. Updates often contain important safety patches. Invest in reliable antivirus and anti-malware software for peace of mind and added protection. Staying informed and vigilant is the key to navigating the evolving online landscape safely.